Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken nugget casserole. Alright, I'm starting out here in a 9x13 baking pan, and I dumped in 2 boxes of this chicken stuffing mix. And I went in and microwaved the amount of water and butter for the 2 boxes. I'm going to dump that in over stuffing. It's nice and hot. I'm going to give this a stir to get it mixed together. And I'm just going to let this sit here on the stove for a few minutes till the stuffing soaks up the water. Alright, now that I allowed my stuffing to sit for a few minutes to soak up that water and butter, I have a jar of chicken gravy here. This here is 18 ounces. I spread it over top of the stuffing. It's going to be a real quick, easy casserole for a weeknight because I worked late today, guys, and I don't feel like spending a lot of time in the kitchen. Alright. I'm just going to smooth that gravy out real quick. Now I have a 2-pound bag of chicken nuggets I baked to the directions on the pack or on the bag. I'm going to dump them in over top of the stuffing. And I have a couple of them went overboard. Let me grab them. I'm going to smooth this out. You could also use chicken patties if you can't get chicken nuggets in your area. Alright, I'm going to take some shredded cheddar cheese, sprinkle that over top of the nuggets. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this back in the 400-degree oven that I baked the nuggets in for about 10 minutes to melt that cheese and heat that gravy through. And this will be ready to go. This just came out of the oven, it's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. I'm going to start with a piece of nugget. Really good. Get that breading with the cheese, and then get some gravy on the underside. That's good, guys. We'll try a little bit of stuffing. Delicious stuffing flavor. You get that chicken gravy down through there. Guys, that was really easy, really delicious. Chicken nugget casserole. Thanks for watching and supporting me. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.